Hey, what's going on, everybody? Chip here. No garage. Uh, it's really windy out here, and I apologize for that. Um, so I want to show off my first project. I'm using a cell phone to record this because I don't have nothing yet. This is video number 1. Anyway, I thought it was fitting that I do this where I work because I bought it from a guy that I work at. It's a 1998 Chevy 1500 WT work truck. And yeah, it's a project. It's, yeah. Here we go. So yeah, again, I'm doing this on my phone, so my apologies. This is a 1998 Chevy work truck. CK 1500. Can anyone tell me what that is? This is how I bought it, and I actually paid $1,500 for it. See, there's the WT. Let's see, that tail light doesn't work. Third brake light doesn't work. The tailgate does work. It actually does, but it doesn't like to stay up. It'll close, and it opens beautifully. It'll close till you hit a bump, and then it opens all by itself. It's ready. It's, what can you say? This is the project. I should probably switch back to the other camera. Better control. So this is the project, the first project of the channel. I do have another one already, simply because I blew the motor out of it and started stripping it for parts, but I'll get into that a little later. I did put a stereo in it already because I'm driving it, and on this channel, oh yeah, this door, not so great. It does that. So, and then when you want to close it from the inside, you got to roll down the window because it doesn't have a door handle to pull with. And that door, you got to roll down the window from the inside because the inside handle don't work. Everything works though. It's a good running truck. Hold on. Let's it is a good running truck, believe it or not, and it's actually a good riding truck. It does need a little bit of front end work. I got a little vibration in the steering wheel. When I bought it, the guy put a brand new battery in it for me, and I really liked the battery because, easy to lift in and out. Nothing, it was okay. This is a 4.3? Yeah, I'm a Ford guy. I'm used to a 4.6. This 4.3 liter Vortec V6. The AC doesn't work. I was told it worked, but it don't work. Brakes are good on it, and I mean, it's you'll hear it. Sounds kind of old. Zoom back out. Windshield's cracked all to hell. I know you can't see it through the pollen, but it is. Let's see. The hood's damaged, and the reason the windshield's cracked is the same reason the hood is bent. I don't know if you can see that right there because of the sun, but it's It's got a bad gap. Of course, it has an equal bad gap on this side, so I don't know. It's dented on that side, dented in the front. I guess a branch fell on it, and that's what cracked the windshield. The grill's ugly. The bumper. Look at this bumper. The headlights, when you're in the middle of the night, this headlight, and I'll show you right here. The wiring needs I'm not even sure, needs work. I do have parts. I did come with parts. I've already been, I don't know what that is. I do have another grill I don't know if I'm going to use. I may paint this one white. I do have another front bumper. I have another hood, which are all at the house where I don't have a garage. So you'll get to see that. You know, there's a dent here. I should be able to pop that out with just, you know, a hammer behind it. Back bumper, yeah, it needs a back bumper. It needs a tailgate. It needs tail lights. I do have new tail lights for it already, but that's going to be another episode because I'm waiting on some other parts. I do have a third brake light for it. Some upgraded America stuff. This side's not so bad on the bed, kind of, I guess. But what I can say about this entire truck is it's solid. Is it rust free? No. Tons of surface rust. This was used as a truck. It used to have a fifth wheel plate in here, or ball or something. So the suspension, the rear suspension is beefed up. I am planning on a leveling kit, bringing the back end down. That's one of the projects that's going to happen. Clean this out. Hopefully I can find a tailgate pretty soon. I would say, hey, if you got a tailgate, let me know. But I'm sure no one will see this video before I get one. This is, I don't know what I want to do with this. I may shove a bolt right there because I do have a toolbox that is diamond plate, which will, you know, it'll cover that. It'll cover up that. It needs some cleaning. This truck sat for years. It needs a major tune-up, but all in all, I mean, for $1,500, yesterday me and the wife took it on a 100-mile round trip to pick up a shed that I needed to build because I have nowhere to store my tools. All my tools right now are in my 99 Expedition. So yeah, there's that. Anyway, so if I didn't introduce myself, I don't know why I wouldn't have. My name's Chip. I do live somewhere in the Carolinas. I'm a truck driver by trade. I work for a construction company, more specifically a road construction company / site prep company. We do site prep for big factories and things of that nature. And we do roads, paving. We don't, and reclamation. We don't do curbs or nothing like that. We contract that out. Anyway, so my videos will be a little bit few and far between. I'm gonna try and get something out to you once a week, because it's, you know, it's could I have, yeah, because I need to. However, I'm a lowboy driver, so I haul the equipment to all the jobs. There's only 2 of us, and when they need the other guy, because I'm the lead lowboy driver, when they need him to do something else, or when they need someone to do something else, my help is the one that's taken from me. Hence, this is a Sunday, and I'm at work. I'm just getting out of work. Making sure crews have what they need for tomorrow. So, that said, I'm going to name this truck. I've already come up with a name. I do my own vinyl. I'm going to name it White Trash. WT. White Trash Edition. I don't know that I'm going to do body work to it. Honestly, I don't know that I want to make it pretty. I need a truck to be a truck. I don't want a show truck. Yeah, will I do things to improve the look? Yeah. But will I do things to try and make it show worthy? Hell no. I'm not even going to paint it. I got lucky. The hood I found, it's white. If I find a tailgate that's a different color, it's staying that other color. Oh yeah, I got new wheels too. I did get some rally rims, Chevy rally rims, because I like the look of them, and I've never had anything to put them on. Because I'm, quite honestly, a Ford guy. Projects that will be upcoming. I have a 99 Ford F-150 Lariat, 4-wheel drive. It's got a 3-inch body lift on it. I took the big tires off it for my other car. It's got a blown motor. It's a 5.4 liter 2-valve, the better one. But it does have a blown motor. The oil pump went out of it and it seized up on my way home from work one day. And then my other car is a 99 Ford Expedition, 4-wheel drive, 5.4 liter 2-valve. But that's not really a project. I found that on Marketplace for $1,500 while I was looking for a motor for the truck. And well, here, I'll show you. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice car. There's nothing really needs to be done to it. It needs a driver's seat. It's got 318,000 miles on it. The truck's body has 425,000 miles, I think. This truck here has 245,000 miles. Mileage doesn't bother me. What I like, though, is I was born and raised in Michigan. This right here, sorry about that. This right here in Michigan is a nice truck. I mean, for $1,500 that runs and goes down the road and works, I could probably almost double my money for this truck, because there's no holes. It's all surface. Even where it's dented, it's just surface. I mean, there's still paint on the frame. It's a 98. So, anyway, out of here. Like I said, I just got done with work. I want to go home. I gotta edit this video, put in a couple things that I told you I'd show you, and I'm gonna get the heck out of here. Thank you guys very much for watching video number 1 of the No Garage garage, I guess. Everybody else is called garage, something garage. I don't have a garage, so once in a while you will see me borrow my friend's garage to do things that involve laying on the ground because I don't like laying on rocks. Anyway, I'm Chip. I'm out. See ya.